So except in very serious cases of fraud, comma, we cannot use this full stop. So comma, I have amended that provision full stop, and the normal provisions under the CRPC will apply as far as bail is concerned full stop. Now comma, the provisions are being amended, comma, were referred to by Sri Rahman Khan, comma, are relating to the mandatory capital limit full stop. Similarly, comma, the whole idea of company seal has also now started becoming almost a relic as far as global laws are concerned full stop. So comma, our law is being brought to this level full stop. The third amendment relates to deposits full stop. If there is a prohibition in accepting deposits, and if company violates that and still accepts deposits, comma, a provision was enacted but punishment for violation was forgotten to put in full stop. So comma, that gap has to be filled up by virtue of an amendment full stop para. The next provision is with regard to inspection of records of companies full stop. Now comma, AGM resolutions are meant for public display full stop, but comma, board resolutions are not full stop. A board resolution of a company may actually contain confidential things full stop. You have a private company or a public company, comma, its entire corporate strategy may be contained in the board's resolution, comma, the manner in which its financial strategy may be contained in that, comma, its intellectual property strategy may be contained in it full stop. It may contain saying that this is going to be the name of my product, comma, this is going to be the patent that I am going to ask for, etc. full stop. So comma, those are not available for public display anywhere full stop para. So this act obliterated the distinction between a board resolution and an AGM resolution full stop. Hence comma, a correction had to be done full stop. There was another lapse that has taken place full stop. There was a provision for setting up of past losses and depreciation before declaring dividend full stop. If you have accumulated losses, comma, first you account for those accumulated losses and only then the shareholders get divided full stop. Now comma, this provision was put under the rules without putting it in the act full stop. So comma, the gap, comma, as far as drafting is concerned, comma, has to be rectified full stop. Similarly, comma, there is a transferring equity shares for which unclaimed dividend has to be transferred to the investor education fund full stop. Now comma, the rule is that for 7 years if dividend is not claimed, then that is to be transferred full stop. Now comma, there was a drafting error into this, that even code if it is not claimed for 1 year decode full stop. There was a little ambiguous drafting which has to be corrected. Stop over.